Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Forever. This is Amita and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a baked blackberry oatmeal dish. Oatmeal is believed to help with weight loss and also lowers cholesterol, and this dish made with fiber-rich blackberries is the easiest way to eat healthy. So let's get baking. For this dish, you will need 1 cup frozen blackberries, 1 cup oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/3 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, half cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 cup honey, half cup sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup macadamia nuts, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, and butter for greasing the pan. To make the baked blackberry oatmeal, start with lining the bottom of a greased baking pan with the blackberries. In another bowl, mix together the oats, the baking powder, the salt and the cinnamon powder. Pour in this mixture evenly over the blackberries. Then in a separate bowl, mix together the egg, the milk and the vanilla essence and pour this into the baking dish as well. Now mix together the rest of the ingredients, the pumpkin seeds, the sunflower seeds, the macadamia nuts and the honey, and spread evenly over the other layers in the baking dish. If you like an extra crunch to your dish, you can add other nuts like walnuts and almonds as well. Now the dish is ready to bake. Bake the dish in a preheated oven for around 30 minutes at a temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait for it to cool and enjoy. That's it for today guys. We'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Meanwhile, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To see more videos like this, check here.